Hi and welcome to another Type with Me. In this video you will learn how to use Lerna plus Yarn workspaces and what the advantages are of Yarn workspaces. So for this video I created a Monorepo which exists out of multiple packages. These packages are multiple node.js applications. So we have here a package A, an application and a package B. And indeed, the application uses package A and package B, right? So package A exists out of the following code, which returns A and a funny message. Package B also uses funnies, and he returns B and a funnies message. Then when we look into application, it uses A and B, and he's gonna do a console.log. For all of this we use Lerna, and of course when we execute this we get the following result, right? He executes our application because I put main application /app /index.js. So when you do node dot, he will execute your main index.js file that you have defined in your package.json, right? So to bootstrap everything with Lerna, you just need to type in Lerna bootstrap. But what he does, he is going to install all the packages of A. So here we have funnies, right? And all the packages of B. So here we have funnies and all the other packages. Here we have A and B because application depends on A and B, right? But this is very annoying because you need to install funnies in this sub repo and also here in this sub repo. And that's why we are going to use Yarn workspaces. So now we're going to add Yarn workspaces. And one of the things that you need to do is to open the root package.json and add the following lines of code. So here we need to add workspaces into our package.json. So we have here packages / and then refer to our packages folder, right? And then we need to adapt lerna.json a bit. So here we will add the following lines. So we will use npm client yarn and we will use workspaces. Quite easy, right? Then we will delete all our node_modules. So here I'm going to delete this one. Move to trash. We're going to delete this one. We move it to our trash. Also here. Move it to our trash. And here we move it to trash. You also need to delete package log files. With Yarn we don't need them anymore. For this video I use Yarn version 1.10.1. So now we can do Lerna bootstrap. And then we get something from workspaces can only be enabled in private projects. So don't worry about that. workspaces and monorepos with yarn workspaces needs to be private. So we put into package.json the property private to true. And then we can execute lerna again. We do lerna bootstrap. Yarn kicks in. He puts all the packages that we need into node_modules. Here we go. And then here you will see that we have a symlink to app. He will install all the packages that we need. So when I go down, you'll see that we have package funnies. Funnies right here. Great. So when we now do node dot, you'll see that it just executes that. And also when you write tests and you want to execute these tests in your subpackages, that's not a problem. Yarn will take care of that. I hope you learned how to set up a monorepo with Lerna and Yarn workspaces. If you like this video, just subscribe to my channel and I will post more videos of this. Thank you very much.